If you're looking for the best just released AI software, then Lean AI might just be what you've been waiting for. In this Lean AI review, we'll break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end because we'll also share how you can try Lean AI for free. Let's kick things off by saying, Lean AI is not just another AI tool. It's a game changer for businesses looking to automate tasks and improve efficiency. With its advanced machine learning capabilities, Lean AI streamlines processes that used to take hours, turning them into a matter of minutes. Whether you're managing leads, automating customer support, or optimizing workflows, this tool has got you covered. What stands out about Lean AI is how intuitive it is. Unlike many AI tools that require steep learning curves or complex setups, Lean AI is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need a technical background to get started, just plug it in and watch it work. For newcomers to AI, that's a huge win, especially when you consider how many tools out there leave you feeling lost before you even get started. Another important point to mention in this Lean AI review is its scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger corporation, Lean AI adapts to your needs. It grows with you. So if you start small and need to scale quickly, it can handle the increase in demand without a hitch. That's a crucial factor, especially for those who are just dipping their toes into the world of AI. The software also excels when it comes to data integration. Lean AI pulls in your existing data, whether from CRM systems, emails, or social media, and uses it to deliver actionable insights. This level of data-driven decision-making is exactly what every digital marketer and business owner needs to stay ahead of the competition. Think about how much time you spend sifting through data. Lean AI can automate this process, giving you more time to focus on strategy and less time on the grind. But what about the AI's accuracy? It's one of the strongest features of Lean AI. It's able to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, offering highly accurate predictions and recommendations. This is especially valuable for marketing campaigns. The software helps you identify patterns and trends, ensuring that you can make decisions backed by reliable data instead of guesswork. When it comes to customer support, Lean AI doesn't leave you in the dark. With a responsive team available to assist you, you can get help when you need it. Plus, the platform offers a range of tutorials and guides that can walk you through various features, making your experience as smooth as possible. Lastly, one of the best parts of Lean AI is that it's just been released. This means you get to try out cutting-edge features that are still in the process of evolving. The developers are actively working to enhance the software, which means constant improvements and new features are on the horizon. That kind of innovation is something you won't always get with older tools that have plateaued. If you're considering giving Lean AI a shot, there's a great opportunity to try it out for free. Check out the first link in the description to see for yourself how Lean AI can help streamline your business operations and elevate your workflow. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and Lean AI stands out for its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and adaptability. In fact, I've included my top AI software recommendations below, so if Lean AI isn't quite what you're looking for, there are other options you can try for free. Don't forget to check them out and see which one fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more AI reviews and updates.